G'day everyone, BH and Dad here. Today we're going to do the unboxing of Lenovo X1 Carbon. Now this is the 6th generation version and I'm quite excited because it's one of my favorite laptops at the moment that's out there. Now before we get started, if you haven't done already, please subscribe to my channel to keep yourself up to date with the videos I upload. I try to upload a few videos per week. Now let's get started. I've already basically cut the top of this to make things easier. So pretty much let's just have a look. Let's open this up. Let's open that up. So the computer itself. Alright, let's go. Nice plastic, as usual, to the usual sort of, normally it's cardboard, but that's alright. Now, let's open it up now here. Now, there we go. It's got a very nice, smooth, sort of soft feel to the actual laptop itself. It's got a very nice build to it, of course. And I can straight away see it's very light itself. Now, this is the 14-inch, and they do run the 8th generation Intel CPUs at the moment, these ones here. So I'm just going to pop this over here and see what else is in this. Okay, is there anything else? No, that's about it. Let's move that across. What's in this box? Okay, I can see pretty much just the power cable itself. Let's just move out and pretty much, yeah, it's a 3-prong one, connect to this. And pretty much it's a 65 watt one that comes with, and that runs off the USB-C type. Don't need that at the moment, so let's just concentrate back onto the computer itself. Let's move the computer to the front. So let's have a check out the front. So the front is pretty much, there's no ports or nothing in there. Let's have a look at the ports on the X1 Carbon. Where on one side pretty much you've got a full-size HDMI port, a USB 3 port, and 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports, and this interesting sort of port, you see, which combines the USB Thunderbolt 3, is the Lenovo docking port. Now this is used for the Lenovo CS18 docking port. Now that one works more like a clamp style docking port rather than actually just a cable you plug in. Running on the back end, we can see there's a SIM port card place you can place it. On the other end here we've got a Noble lock, got another USB 3 port, and we've got the vents and a headphone jack, and that's pretty much all there is, and nothing at the front itself. Let's open this up and have a look at itself. Alright, so basically, as you can see, got a very nice keyboard. We've got a trackpad. Very smooth. It feels like as if it's from the Macs in a way. So these days a lot of the laptops from the Windows have improved their tracking pads a lot anyway. I can see there's also a fingerprint reader there, and the feels of the keys feels fantastic. I like the whole sort of type. IBM is well known for that, and Lenovo is part of that. And then we've got power button, and I know this is a touchscreen version, but it's got IPS, which is beautiful there, and it doesn't have that glary feel to it. This one's the anti-glare one, and also like this one has got the infrared camera there for face detection, and of course the webcam itself. Now I do know one of the versions you can get is pretty much you've got little lever on the top here for the webcam, and pretty much it's a privacy one, so you just flick it across and basically it blocks out the webcam itself instead of you having to put a tape or blue tack as some people do. So that's built in it, but this version is using the IR, so it doesn't actually have that. So definitely, suppose this weighs around about 1.13 kilos. So I'll probably suggest it's probably about under 1.2 kilos anyway. Now I like to make a note that you need to plug the charger into the first Thunderbolt 3 port itself. This will then charge the notebook itself. I've had customers who've actually plugged into the second one and don't realize that their computer is not getting charged itself. So charge only happens on the first Thunderbolt 3 port. And that's the unboxing of the Lenovo X1 Carbon. Now before you go, I will be making a video for the comparison between the X1 Carbon and Macbook Pro. Now, this is a 2018 version. Please be sure to check that out, and I'll put the description at the bottom down there. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, and just remember, imperfections in life makes it beautiful and interesting. I'll catch you in the next video.